This is where my field peas are supposed to be. Had a germination problem with them. Very few come up. I planted a lot of peas out here and got maybe 6 of them that actually came up. And had plenty of water. Soil's decent over here. It ain't great, but it's decent. I've grown them here before, and they did fine. But got, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Got a few of them coming up, but not many. So the plan is I'm gonna till this back in and replant. I've already got peas from another source. The original ones I planted down there, some of those came up, but not many. But those seeds were already a couple years, more than a couple years old. They were probably already like 4 years old, which they still should have germinated, but they didn't for whatever reason. And then I bought some from a local store up there, but ain't no telling how old they were. They were in a barrel. And I didn't check the date on them if they were fresh or not. So plan is we're going to till this thing up today and replant. I don't have as much seed as I wanted to, so I'll probably only get about half of this, enough for half of this space done. Let's go get the tiller out. If this thing will start, it should. All right, we'll let that sit for a little while and dry out, and then I'll rake the grass out of there. Then probably go back over again and replant. Cleaning the weeds out of there and tilling it again. I'll probably go one more pass later on today sometime and start to plant. I've been soaking peas, so they should be ready for transplant here. This is probably one more pass on this thing. We'll get them in there and watered in. That'll be it for a pea patch. And hopefully these ones come up since the other two didn't. They should. It's hot enough out now. All right. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever. Greatly appreciated. Anybody that's watching, appreciate you greatly. Thanks. Take care. Tilled this thing like 4 times, went through it, pulled grass out of it. And we put, I don't know how many rows, put them all close together so they're probably about 4-inch spacing, 3 to 4 inch spacing all the way around between rows and between individual plants. And we'll just let them grow and see what we got. Watered them in this morning, or finished planting them this morning and watered them in. And it's supposed to rain all next week, I think. So we should be good. I'll probably water these again tomorrow. Bring the tripod sprinkler over here and water them in. And we should be good. I can keep that guy out of there. And that one. And this one here. But that's it. I did sprinkle some calcium in here before I planted them, and after, a little bit on the top there scattered around. And not going to fertilize over here. These field peas don't really need that much fertilizer since they're legumes. If anything, I might throw some potassium down here later, but I have to go pick up a bag of it. I won't put a whole bag out here. I need it for everything else. All right, that's it for the peas. We'll keep you updated on them, see how they do this time. This is the second planting of them. The first seeds I had were probably 3, 4, 5 years old. I don't remember, and I didn't really take care of them. So we'll see. The second batch I got, they just never. Some of them germinated, some of them didn't. So did things a little bit different this time, and a different supplier of seeds that were from this year or for this year. All right. Anyway, that's it. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, whatever. Appreciate it. And we'll go on and do other stuff now.